Yeah.
Maybe he's out. Maybe he's seemingly participating. Maybe he's out. Okay, thank you. Cut the grass or something.
I know, it smells like rain or grass or something.
What does that say for Messi and Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Who's better, Messi or Ronaldo?
I like Messi better. I think he is better, though.
I think he is.
Yeah.
Best in the world? Best ever?
You have to give me some time.
Current age, right?
I don't know about all time. All time would probably have to be Pele.
The one I never signed before I get the sports show, is that right?
Yeah. Packed house.
Is that?
Packed house, huh?
Well, maybe they're all like trying to find food.
Just like that DC game, huh? DC was almost empty. DC United game?
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
There was like no one
Yeah,
there.
I remember that. Yeah. I'm like, did we see that? Oh, yeah, I remember now. Yeah. Did we win that game?
Yeah.
Barely, right?
We won for really nothing.
Was it 3-0?
Yeah. Because they had his own goal.
Oh, yeah, alright. I was thinking of,
Minnesota.
I was thinking of partly Minnesota United.
We lost. Yeah.
When we had Schweinsteiger in there, and McCarty, I think,
Yeah.
and we still lost.
Yeah.
And their best player was out, wasn't he? The scorer?
Yeah.
Yeah. We lost like, what, 3-2 or something? Or 2-1?
2-1.
Yeah.
Their first ever road win.
That's right. That's right. Dropping.
That's not bad.
You're right.
I was thinking about wearing sandals, but I changed to gym shoes. I think I made it right.
Good call. I mean, it's not going to drop. I mean, it's something in the 60s.
Low
It's not-
67.
Yeah. It's not going to be like the 50s or...
What? Oh. Okay, I got you.
Maybe we've been here before for that game.
Twice, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Kind of more relaxed.
Yeah, maybe.
Retired.
Where'd you go? You like doing commentary or anything? Or?
Not that, no.
Just not answering the TTM. That's what you're supposed to be doing?
He already signed for me.
Did he?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yep.
I think I was saying about it.
Oh yeah, he never answered it.
What that calling?
I mean, that is his nickname. Yeah.